Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best grafting knife is probably one of the most important tools for any serious fruit tree grower, enabling you to cultivate superior fruit varieties, experiment with different rootstocks, and even rescue damaged trees. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend warrior, choosing the right grafting knife can significantly impact your success, ensuring clean cuts, precise grafts, and ultimately, a bountiful harvest. This video will guide you through the essential features and considerations to help you select the perfect grafting knife for your needs. Number 5. NAYE 2-in-1 Grafting Tool Kit. This innovative tool kit makes grafting easier than ever. It's perfect for fruit trees and features multiple blade types for precision cuts. It comes with 6 durable blades made from premium stainless steel. These ensure clean, precise cuts every time. Choose from 3 different blade types, Omega Cut, U Cut, and V Cut, to perfectly match your grafting needs. Get the best fit for your plants. This tool isn't just for grafting. It also includes a sturdy pruning blade for trimming leaves, twigs, and stems. It's designed to create perfectly aligned cuts, maximizing cambium contact and improving the survival rate of your grafts. Get professional results easily. Made with high-strength ABS plastic and Japanese SK5 steel, it's built to last. Enjoy years of reliable performance. What we like. It has 6 blades and 3 different cutting styles to ensure a precise cut for various grafting needs. If you need versatility and precision for different grafting techniques, this is the tool for you. Its pruning blade also makes it a multi-purpose tool for various gardening tasks. What people say. This grafting tool made grafting prunings from one tree to rootstock suckers from a dead tree stump easy and successful. The tool makes precision matching cuts that help align and hold the graft to the host like 2 puzzle pieces. The tool works by producing nearly perfectly mirrored cuts in the rootstock and scion wood. The 2 pieces only fit together properly one way due to the cutting action, which makes the union quite good. The included grafting tape works great too, and enough is included to make quite a large number of grafts. I used this to graft apples this year, my first grafting experience. Most of my grafts took. It was beyond what I expected given my lack of experience and some obvious mistakes on my part. Number 4. ZALALOVA 2-in-1 Grafting Tool Kit. This innovative kit makes grafting easier than ever before. It's designed for both professionals and home gardeners. It features durable, high-carbon steel blades and strong ABS plastic handles. This ensures long-lasting use and reliable performance. The curved and straight blade design allows for precise cuts on both scion and stalk. You'll get clean, accurate cuts every time. 3 replaceable blades, Omega Cut, U Cut, and V Cut, accommodate various branch diameters, 5 mm to 12 mm. This ensures a high survival rate for your grafts. It includes grafting films, rubber bands, and labels to secure your grafts and keep your plants organized. Everything you need is right here. Lubricate the blade after each use to extend its lifespan and keep it in top condition. It's simple to use and maintain. What we like. This kit is a comprehensive solution for grafting, including multiple blades, tapes, and other accessories to increase your success rate. If you're looking for a complete grafting solution with extra accessories to maximize your grafting success, this is the one for you. The durable materials ensure long-lasting use. What people say. The grafting knife and replacement blades are sharp, precise, and durable. They effortlessly cut through plant branches, ensuring clean and accurate cuts essential for successful grafting. One of the standout features of this kit is the inclusion of grafting tapes, rubber bands, and labels. These accessories are essential for securing grafts and providing support during the healing process. Versatility is another strong point of this garden tool kit. It is suitable for a wide range of plants, including fruit trees, vines, and other branches. Number 3. Grafting Tool Kit. This kit has everything you need for successful grafting. It's designed for ease of use and superior results. These pliers feature durable, Japanese SK5 steel blades and a comfortable, high-strength ABS plastic handle. They're built to last. It's perfect for a wide variety of fruit trees and plants. You can easily graft branches with diameters from 1/6 inch to 1/2 inch. The kit includes 3 replaceable, double-edged blades offering omega, U, and V cuts. This gives you 6 sharp cutting edges that won't crush stems. The included pocket knife has both curved and straight blades for different grafting techniques. It features a comfortable natural wood handle. Use these clips to secure grafts on vines and plants. They're also great for supporting tomatoes, cucumbers, and other plants. What we like. Its Japanese SK5 steel blades ensure clean cuts, increasing the success rate of your grafts. If you value sharpness and a 2-in-1 design for both pruning and grafting, this tool is perfect for you. Its versatility extends beyond grafting to various other gardening tasks. What people say. Knives are sharp, good set of tools for various types of grafting. Love the amount of tools this grafting kit includes. The knife was very sharp and felt good to make incisions with. The clips and tags will be very useful to me as I can label the cutting and make sure they are more secure. The breathability of it is good while still holding a sufficient amount of moisture. Number 2. Double Blades Grafting Knife. This innovative grafting knife is designed for ease and efficiency. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. It features a sharp, durable stainless steel blade for precise cuts. The rosewood handle provides a comfortable grip, even during extended use. This tool includes both a curved and a straight blade, along with a bark lifter, for various grafting needs. It's perfect for plants of all sizes. Grafting plants has never been easier. It's designed to help you achieve a high grafting survival rate. Its compact, foldable design makes it easy to carry with you wherever you go. It's the perfect tool for any gardener. This handy tool isn't just for grafting. It's also great for mushroom picking, harvesting fruits and vegetables, and even cutting rope. This versatile knife is an indispensable tool for any gardener, offering convenience and efficiency in one package. Get yours today. What we like. Made from durable stainless steel with a comfortable rosewood handle, it's built for long-lasting use and ease of handling. If you prioritize comfort and durability in a portable tool, this option is ideal. Its compact design makes it perfect for carrying around in your garden. What people say. The knife is sharp and well built. Came in handy when scoring stems. Easy to use. This knife works perfectly for grafting and contains along with the knife what you need to protect your grafts. Number 1. Garden Grafting Knife. This innovative tool is designed for effortless grafting. Its durable stainless steel blades and comfortable rosewood handle make gardening a breeze. Made from high-hardness stainless steel, it boasts 2 blades, a curved blade and a straight blade with a bark lifter. This ensures precision and efficiency for various grafting needs. The rosewood handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, reducing fatigue during extended use. It's perfectly balanced for ease of handling. It's not just for grafting. Use it for mushroom picking, harvesting fruits and vegetables, or even cutting rope. It's a multi-purpose tool for all your gardening needs. 3 different colored grafting tapes are included, offering varying sizes and flexibility to suit different plant types and grafting techniques. This ensures a high grafting success rate. Its compact, foldable design makes it easy to carry in your pocket, ensuring it's always ready when you need it. Take it with you wherever you go. What we like. This grafting knife boasts a durable stainless steel blade and a comfortable rosewood handle, ensuring both effectiveness and ease of use. If you prefer a comfortable grip and multiple grafting tapes for various needs, this is a great choice. The 3 included tapes offer flexibility for different plant sizes. What people say. The knife was sharp and the clear tape worked great. This combination is great, especially the knife, which can easily cut off branches when grafting. Great for garden projects. Grafting and their layering. Sharp knife, lots of tape. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.